I'm just showing you the upgrade kit I've got, the 4GB upgrade grid from Crucial. That's the screwdriver you need. That is a 00 Phillips screwdriver, I think. Just removing the back cover, and as you can see on the back cover, there is the steps on how to actually replace your RAM. You need to remove the battery. I'm just touching to remove any static electricity from myself touching the metal bit. Right, now I've unscrewed everything and removed the back cover. I'm just ejecting the current RAM that's in there. Sorry, it's not a very good angle. There we go, that's all out now. Now I'm just placing in the first new RAM module. You have to, I was making sure that it was definitely in there, as in pushing it right, and you have to push it then clip it down at the bottom to make sure it's in properly. Let's get in the second one now. There we go. Second one's just being placed in now. And that's that. Now just putting the back cover back on. Then I can test to make sure that it switches on properly. So now I'm just turning it on to test that it works properly, which it does. If the RAM wasn't installed properly, it would give you it would give you one bleep. It would keep bleeping, but as you can see, the upgrade was fine. Just about to go to About This Mac to make sure that the RAM has been installed properly and the system recognises it. Yep, 4GB of DDR3 installed. Thanks, this has been Apple Mac Des. Please rate, subscribe and comment.